Watch this. Hey Meta, take a picture. These aren't just any pair of glasses. They can take photos, play music, answer your questions, and even translate the world around you. And the best part? You don't need to lift a finger. In this video, I'll show you exactly what makes these glasses the smartest and possibly the coolest sunglasses you can buy. From the different frame style, lenses, features, and powerful things you can do with the Meta AI, you'll get the full lowdown in simple terms, the Maz Tech Central way. No jargon, no fear. Let's dive in. The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are a collaboration between Ray-Ban and Meta, bringing advanced tech into an iconic fashion brand. At first glance, they look like ordinary Ray-Bans. Classic design, lightweight frames, and high-quality lenses. But they're hiding some impressive tech inside. Each pair has an updated 12-megapixel camera. I say updated because there were Ray-Ban stories previously to this, but these are way better. And a 5-microphone array built in, plus open-ear stereo speakers and a built-in Meta AI voice assistant for hands-free control. In simple terms, it means you can capture photos and videos, listen to music or take calls, or even talk to an AI assistant without even picking up your phone. These glasses aim to free you from your smartphone and let you live in the moment while still staying connected. If you ever fumbled with your phone to capture a special moment and felt like you missed the experience, I think we've all been there. You'll appreciate what Meta glasses offer. Imagine being at your child's first bike ride, or at a concert, or anywhere with family and friends. Instead of holding your phone and struggling to get the shot, you just put on your glasses, press a button, or say, "Hey Meta, take a video." And as simple as that, it starts recording or takes a picture. You stay present in the scene as you save the memory. I think it's a pretty big philosophical leap for technology, using a gadget more like a natural extension of your senses rather than a distraction. But before we get carried away, let's start with the basics. How do these glasses look, and what options do you have to make them your own? Ray-Ban made sure that these look as good as their classic sunglasses. In fact, you can choose from 3 frame styles to suit your taste and face shape. The timeless Wayfarer, which are these ones here. There's the headliner and the Skyler. They come in a range of colors and finishes, from matte or shiny black for the traditional look, to fun hues like transparent caramel or blue, some of which even show off the tech inside the frames. So you can imagine, with the different lenses and frames available, the combinations are endless. And good news for those of us with less than perfect eyesight. They are prescription friendly. When it comes to lenses, you have several options depending on how and where you want to use your glasses. You can get standard sunglass lenses in various tints, brown, blue, green, transitions. No matter which frames or lenses you go for, the key thing here is these don't scream gadgets. They look just like regular eyewear, so you can feel comfortable wearing them daily without turning heads, unless you're wearing these inside. But I'm sure that's okay too. Now that we've covered style, let's talk about what these smart glasses can do for you in everyday life. You're going to want to concentrate at this bit, because it's actually great stuff. The best thing about the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses is how they let you stay present in everyday life while still using helpful tech. Unlike a phone that constantly pulls your attention to a screen, these glasses try to blend into your routine. Here are some everyday benefits you'll notice. Have you ever missed a special moment from your kid, your pets, your family, your friends because you were digging for your phone? With a very good camera in your glasses, this has now been solved. It can snap a photo or even up to a 3-minute clip with just a tap of your finger, or with that command, "Hey Meta, take a video." No more holding life at arm's length. You capture exactly what you see while still seeing it with your own eyes. It makes sharing moments with friends and family feel more genuine. In fact, you can even live stream or upload directly to Facebook and Insta. It's great for travel vlogs or letting loved ones virtually join in an experience. The open-ear speakers means your glasses double as a personal stereo and headset. You can listen to your favorite playlists, podcast, audiobooks while biking or walking without blocking out the world connected around you. This is something that I actually use this for. I actually use these for biking myself because I find using earphones while biking kind of blocks a lot of the noise around you. With this, you can listen to your audio without blocking out the outside world, so you get the best of both worlds. The speakers are designed to direct sound to your ears and limit what others can hear, so you get surprisingly rich audio privately. That's not to say that others can't completely hear what you're listening to, but it limits it to a certain amount, which is quite good in my experience. If a call comes in, you can answer it with your voice and talk normally. And since your ears aren't being plugged, you remain aware of traffic and surroundings, which is safer. Essentially, it's like invisible earbuds that you never have to remember to carry. You can even make calls or send messages by voice command via WhatsApp, Messenger, not that Messenger, or SMS RCS, or even have incoming messages read out to you. That's actually great for when you're biking and driving. For example, if you're driving and a message comes in, you just say, "Hey Meta, read my last message," and then dictate a reply completely hands-free. The Meta glasses become an extension of your phone's assistant capabilities, but in a way that lets you keep your phone in your pocket. This is incredibly convenient for when you're juggling groceries, working out, or any time pulling out a phone that would interrupt your flow. Because these glasses let you do so much via quick voice interactions, you'll find yourself checking your actual phone less, which isn't a bad thing. No more constant glancing down at your screen for notifications, weather, for the time. You can just ask the glasses for your info. We've all been down that rabbit hole where you just want to check your phone for the time or the weather, and you end up checking 50 other apps. The idea is you can go about your day, whether you're exploring a new city or hanging out with friends, and use technology only when you need it, without getting sucked into a screen. As Meta's team put it, this device is designed to help you make the most of everyday life as you live it. In other words, you get the benefits of connectivity and information, but in a more natural one heads-up way. All of these benefits add up to a pretty liberating experience. After a while, you actually forget that your glasses are smart. They just become a seamless part of how you experience the world and stay in touch. Now for those specs for those who like it. But even if you don't, stick around because these are actually quite interesting. Don't let the classic look fool you. There's a lot of tech crammed into these frames, but I promise to keep this as jargon-free as possible. The glasses have a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera over the left eye. In practice, this means sharper photos and high definition videos in 1440p for those who are wondering. Basically, your snapshot and videos will be comparable to a decent smartphone. The camera's wide field of view captures more of what your eyes can see, which makes for an immersive first-person footage. There's a small LED on the front that automatically lights up when you're taking a photo or video, which is there to let people around you know that the camera is recording. It's a considerate touch for privacy. Each arm of the glasses has a discrete open-ear speaker built in for stereo sound. They're surprisingly capable. Meta have designed them to have extended bass and higher max volume so you can hear music or calls even in noisy environments. At the same time, they direct sound towards you and minimize leakage, so your music won't annoy other people. The glasses also pack 5 microphones. These mics do multiple jobs. They pick up your voice commands clearly, allow for phone calls with your voice sounding clear on the other end, and enable audio recording when you're shooting a video. In fact, the multi-mic array can capture sound from different directions, making your video recording sound more like real life. You'll hear the kids laughing behind you, or the concert music around you. One of the headlining features is Meta AI Assistant. It's activated by the keyword "Hey Meta." Think of it like Gemini or ChatGPT, but for your eyes. But spec-wise, it works entirely via voice and audio. There's no visual overlay on the glasses. The assistant processes your request using a combination of the phone app and cloud AI. The glasses connect to your phone via Bluetooth, and they use the Meta AI app. It used to be called Meta View, to manage your settings and content. Essentially, the phone is needed for setup and funnel things like AI queries or sharing videos to the internet. But you don't need to have the phone in hand, just somewhere about you or close by in Bluetooth reach. The glasses have onboard storage of 32 gigabytes for your photos and videos, but these automatically get transferred to your phone anyway when you connect to the Meta AI app. They also have Wi-Fi capability for faster media transfers, and use the phone's GPS for location-based features like remembering where you took a photo, or when you look at a building and say, "Hey Meta, what am I looking at?" With all that tech, you might wonder, what about battery life? The glasses will run for about 4 hours of active use on a single charge and 36 hours with a fully charged case. Practically, if you wear them all day, you'd likely pop them into a case for when you're having lunch or whenever you take them off, and it tops it off really quickly. The case itself charges via USB-C. I'm glad all my tech nowadays is just one single charging cable to worry about. Brains of the device is a Snapdragon chipset built for wearable AR, AI tasks, making the glasses run efficiently. I've had no issues with the speed these actually work at with all the updates that have come out since I've had these glasses. These weigh around 47 to about 51 grams depending on the size that you buy. For context, they're a bit heavier than typical sunglasses, which weigh in around 20 to 30 grams, but I've worn these for hours on end and I've not found them heavy on my face at all. They also support touch controls on the temple. You can tap or swipe on the side to do things like adjust volume, skip tracks, or take a photo if you don't want to use voice. In summary, the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses pack the essential hardware of a camera, headphones, and voice assistant packed into a device that looks and feels like regular glasses. Now, hardware is only half the story. The other half is what the AI and smart software can actually do to make these glasses smart. Meta has basically put an AI butler into your glasses. Okay, that might be a stretch, but this voice assistant is pretty advanced. It can help with a lot of tasks.
Hey Meta, what plant is this?
Is lavender, lavandula, and vestifolia,
Tell me more about this plant.
known for its calming fragrance and attractive purple flowers. It is native to the Mediterranean region and is widely cultivated for its essential oil, which is used in aromatherapy, perfumes, and cosmetics.
Hey Meta, what car is this?
This is a Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y is a compact luxury crossover SUV manufactured by Tesla, Inc. It was unveiled in March 2019 and started production in January 2020.
You get the idea.
A pair of regular Ray-Ban sunglasses might set you back a couple of $100s or pounds. These start at just £299 or US, which is just on par or just slightly more than a regular pair of sunglasses. Considering the tech that's included, I'd say it's a fair price. They have no ongoing fees or subscriptions for Meta AI, which is great, so there aren't any additional costs once you actually purchase the glasses. The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses represent a fascinating step into a future where our eyewear does more than shade our eyes. After spending about a year and a half with them, genuinely feels like the future of sunglasses is here. They allow you to capture your life from your own perspective, get information and music when you need it, then fade into the background when you don't. If you love the idea of tech that lets you stay more present, these smart glasses are worth a look. Thanks for joining me in this dive into Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. If you found this interesting and useful, give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And for more no-nonsense tech breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe to Maz Tech Central. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.